Welcome back. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to get the spicy burger in LEGO Fortnite and what you'll need to make it. First, make sure you crafted a grill. You'll need it to cook the spicy burger. If you don't have one yet, gather planks and torches to unlock the grill. To make a spicy burger, you'll need 3 key ingredients: spicy peppers, meat, and grain. Spicy peppers can be harvested in desert biomes, meat comes from hunting animals, and grain can be found by harvesting tall grass and then milling it into flour. Once you have the ingredients, head to your grill, select the spicy burger recipe and your items, and cook it up. In just a few seconds, you'll have your spice burger ready. Eating a spice burger restores your health and gives you a buff that helps with the cold, making it really useful when exploring snowy biomes. And that's how you get the spice burger in LEGO Fortnite. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides.